maker of Mahagat, Pip. We're going to paint the Bawaboshti exactly how we remember it.
Bantan of us.
What should we start with?
I'm going to start with Darug. Kinda like my hair. What other Dahana do we need?
Green. I'm not so sure.
What about purple next? That's my favorite. And there's definitely purple in Bawaboshti.
Akahorja? I have never seen a Bawaboshti like that.
But how can we paint a Bawaboshti if we don't know the Dahna?
Oh, Goholing. Look, Thea! The Bawaboshti is back! I see Darug, Agus Oroshte,
I see yellow and green.
and I see Gurum Agus Kirkra.
Airhouse.
That's it! Quick, let's paint it before we forget. Cheep Cheep, your crystal's making the Bawaboshti. The sun is shining through it. Just like it was shining through the rain clouds in the meadow.
Airhouse, your very own Bawaboshti maker.
Oh, you're so lucky, Jeep Jeep. Shud diva Foshti. You're giving us the necklace?
Are you sure?
Keep it.
Thank you.
Oh, Gurmila Mahagat. Slán. But what will we do with it now?
I have an idea. Airhouse!
It's a Bawaboshti party.
Yeah!